Good morning and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Sarah Roosh and I'm a blind mom to 2 babies under 2 years old, and I also homeschool. I have several businesses and obviously I have this channel. And so I just want to take you around my day and show you kind of how I do things as a person with a visual impairment and just show you some fun things that we do throughout the day. We're just enjoying our time right now outside. The baby boy went back to sleep for his nap. He did not stay awake for very long, but I thought I would get her energy out before I put her down for her nap. I love looking at this huge bush that gives us a little privacy. I recently had an eye surgery and I wanted to share some spiritual insights that I gained from that experience. I've always been terrified of having an eye surgery, and this one in particular, because I could lose all my vision, and that was really scary for me. But when I woke up from the anesthesia, I envisioned something that I had never thought of before, and that was an analogy about a ladder. There are 2 posts. Christ is on one side and we are on the other going through our trials. And as we reach out to Christ, we gain greater understanding and learn a little of the way he thinks. And in doing so, the very first rung is built. As we come to know God and understand the way he thinks and acts, we will move up on the ladder as we gain more understanding and knowledge and learn how to overcome more trials. We are not weak for depending on God. It is through him and in him that we really gain true strength and understanding. This life was never about doing things alone. So I just finished cleaning up the house and now I'm going to take the babies on a walk once they wake up from their naps. For lunch, I just made myself a chicken salad and an orange and a string cheese. For dinner, I'm going to be making a Tuscan chicken bake. I'm super excited, and I'm also going to be prepping my toddler snacks for the week, so I will show you as I do that later on today. I have a couple of other things to finish up first, so I will take you along. Bye. There's your coloring page. So I created this coloring page for my toddler. It is a Bible study Christian coloring page, and I actually created on my Etsy shop 4 lessons of different Bible studies, like Noah's Ark, Jonah and the Whale, and then 2 other lessons, as well as some coloring pages. So if you're interested in that, that will be linked in my description of this video. So today she's wearing Elsa and Anna on her shirt and some cute little pink pants. And this is the outfit that baby boy is gonna wear today. It's so cute. Someone brought this over to me. I am obsessed. I love it. Yeah, are you enjoying your coloring page? She's really good at doing the pincer grasp, actually. I've been super duper proud of her. I never really showed her. She just took to it naturally. So here are the snacks that I prepped for this week. So we have some chopped up bell peppers and celery. We have some strawberries. Then these are some healthy little chocolate oat cookies that I made that have like a lot of protein in them. And then we have some string cheeses and some of these Simple Truth vegetable and fruit pouches. Tonight's dinner is Tuscan chicken broccoli bake. So you're going to steam some rice and add in some small pieces of broccoli. Dice up a chicken breast. Sorry about the background noise, that is my daughter. Dice up some chicken breast and throw that in the air fryer, or you can cook it on the stove alongside. And then I will show you what to do next from there. So once it is finished cooking, you're going to mix in some cream and you're going to put in some Parmesan cheese and mozzarella cheese, however much you think you need. And then after you've done all that, you're going to season with salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. Lastly, pour in the chicken and stir, and you're done. Here is my daughter's plate. I gave her some of the Tuscan chicken broccoli bake without the chicken, since she chokes on chicken right now. I gave her, that's the chicken cooking. I gave her some oranges and 2 little healthy cookies for dessert. I thought I would share some things that I'm currently working on. I'm currently working on 2 projects. My husband and I are making a really cute album for babies. It is full of Christian lullabies. And then I'm also working on a book called Seek Ye First. It talks about seeking the kingdom of God. So I'm super excited for both of those projects. I just wanted to sign off here and say thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.